One of the most important issues around sustainability that we will deal with is the issue of waste. What do businesses do with waste? There's a theory out there that's been circulating that says that if one industrial process produces waste that can be used as a raw material for another industrial process, then why don't we link those and that waste from one becomes an input for another product, and so on and so on and so forth, such that the waste, the actual thing that's thrown away at the end of recycling and reusing and reducing these objects, is that we eventually create a zero waste or self-contained society. This is what's called the circular economy, and it was first really made visible to the public by the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, and Ellen MacArthur herself has many videos that you can see from BBC interviews, and including TED Talks, where she elaborates extensively about this. Now, how can you get involved? Well, first of all, you can learn what it is. What does it mean to eliminate waste? What kinds of waste are produced even from the everyday products that we use in our households, in our kitchens, and our baths? From that, how can those items be used as input for another? Case in point, have you ever seen a container? I know a company that has little black containers that said if you collect 5 of them, you can bring them back and get a new one of their products. Well, equally on the container, it says post-consumer recycled material, 100% post-consumer. So that means that container has been made only of recycled plastics. And there are many such efforts to both reuse and plastics over and over and over, and even reduce the plastics that we use in packaging and containers. But what about other industrial processes? We know about food. We, of course, know that in the meat industry, the many, many products that come from just the cow itself are not just used for consumption of food for humans, but also leather. But also a number of other materials that the organic material from a cow can be used in ways that can help our society and not just be wasted. So these are just some of the ways that I want you to help us think forward and think forward and think forward about what it means to reduce and eventually eliminate waste in our societies. Thank you.